joke or?
Tucker.
Then again, he does like women that tell him no, so. But while her man was in jail, I think she was already dating Jessica, so.
You can see the hiccups now.
When, do you know Noah? The one that Nikki dates, you don't know him?
I got him hiccuping though.